Today is my birthday, and I think you can be anything you want to be. The way you do it is you change your
Live happy, fun loving, and carefree.
So today's my birthday. I've made another trip around the sun on this rock that we call planet Earth. And this time of the year always gets all of us. When it's our birthday, we start thinking about all kinds of different things. And there's just so much craziness going on in the world today, things that are out of our control, things like politics, things like plagues and pandemics, things like toilet paper shortages, all these things that, none of us can do anything about. You can't change the direction of the wind, but you adjust your sails. And so the thing that I've really been thinking about here lately is
Waking up in the morning, jumping or crawling out of bed, drinking coffee and watching the sun rise. Say to yourself, I know I can be anything that I want to be. I can change my world.
I think you can be anything that you want to be. And if you don't think that that's possible in your world, change your world. That's the message. Change your world. And the reason is, all the people in our lives, people that we love, our family and our friends, they'll always be trying to get you to do what they think is best. And they truly have what they think is your best interest at heart. But you have to live your life. You've got to change your world because, again, it's all about being happy, fun-loving, and carefree. It's about you enjoying the time that you have on this rock while we fly around in space, around the sun. Because life is really short when we think about it. And we get all caught up in politics, and we fear pandemics and illnesses and things. And it's just whatever happens, and we just end up spinning our wheels and living that normal life and wasting our life. And then there's the other people that don't have your interest. They have their own interest at heart. Things like bosses and politicians, or other people that try to get you to do what they want you to do because it benefits them. Family does it because they think that you're making a bad choice. But other people do it because they just want you to do what they want you to do. And that is a really big deal. Don't let others write your life story. To change your life, change your mindset. Poor or rich, you get to choose. Never give up on your dream. Change your world. Life is full of opportunities. There's always things out there that we can benefit from. We just have to recognize it, and we just have to take the step to do it. And that's the change in your world thing. And, loss aversion, we're afraid of losing what we have. The gambler fallacy, we think we can win. And Dunning-Kruger effect, that's one of my favorites, where things like the old thinking outside the box thing. So the thing truly is, if you want to change your world, you just do it. We can toss around fancy terms like egocentric bias, self-serving bias, or external forces. We can't predict what the future will be, but staying the same isn't living your life. What it boils down to is it's your life to live. Never give up on your dream. Change your world. So whenever your birthday's coming up, whenever you start to think about the things that are going on in the world today, if you decide you want to, do a different job, move to a different town, drive a different car, wear different clothes, whatever it is, live your life, the life that makes you happy, the life that is fun-loving for you, and carefree, meaning you're enjoying life. Because I've just made another trip around the sun here today and getting a little bit of gray hair in the beard. Got to wear reading glasses so I can read when I used to have really perfect vision. And aches and pains when you wake up in the morning. Life is really, really short. So change your world. Do what you want to do. Don't listen to other people in your life, even though they think they have your best interest. And certainly don't listen to people in life when they're thinking about their best interest and not yours. Never give up on your dream. Never give up on your dream because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Yes, the time will pass anyway. Life is full of opportunities. It's up to you to take advantage of them. People in your life are going to try to play it safe and protect you. And I think you can be anything that you want to be. And if you don't think that it's possible in your world, change your world. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. So please subscribe so you'll see my next video when I'm older and watch another video. Happy, fun-loving, and carefree. Changing your world. It really is up to you.